In the University of Nueva Cáceres, we build a better tomorrow for our students. With our future-ready facilities, progressive teaching methods, a nurturing culture for success, our learn-as-you-earn programs make it easier for working students to finish college. We ensure their bright careers. It all starts here, in the heart of Bicol. The University of Nueva Cáceres by Ayala's AC Education, nurturing better tomorrows for all. In the University of Nueva Cáceres, we build a better tomorrow for our students. With our future-ready facilities, progressive teaching methods, a nurturing culture for success, our learn-as-you-earn programs make it easier for working students to finish college. We ensure their bright careers. It all starts here, in the heart of Bicol. The University of Nueva Cáceres by Ayala's AC Education, nurturing better tomorrows for all.
Alright, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Ateneo de Naga University. Welcome to the battle for third place. Ateneo Golden Knights versus UNC Greyhounds. Will be assisted by our umpires. We have Bonanong, Malinesa, and crew chief Inday Orsena. Table officials, we have Garcia and Goro. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. First ball possession goes to the Greyhounds. Number 10, generating the first play to number 11. The number 9 pushes forward, skips and throws but didn't connect. Number 3. And we're hearing the battle of the drums once released. Officials time out. Here we go, Greyhounds crouching against the Golden Knights, number 28, to the side. Pass to the big guy, jumps, pushes forward, throws the ball, but didn't reach the basket. Second attempt, no good. And the whistle was blown. Foul number 0. That's the first personal foul. First team foul. First personal foul to Ateneo, number 0. Ball possession of UNC. Ayan, nagwa-warm up pala. Number 11. Looking for someone. Quick pass inside, and that's the first point of the game by number 14 of the Greyhounds. Number 16 to number 0. Dribbles to number 26 from downtown. No good. And the crowd goes wild after that release. "14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 26 for a comeback. Still no luck for his attempts. Number 28 to number 10. To number 28. What a sniper. That's a 4-point lead to 0 of the Greyhounds. Number 31. Slowly looking for an opening. To number 0. Intercepted by number 28 for an easy layup. And that's the first 6 points for the Greyhounds. What a way to start the quarter. Number 0 from long range. Still didn't connect. Rebounded by the Greyhounds to number 28 once again. Swift as the wind. Loses the ball. But still an opportunity. "17 seconds to play. 17 seconds. Number 28. Number 10. Heavily guarded. 5 seconds to shoot. Spins around, fakes. And the whistle was blown. And we're down to 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Ateneo still looking for their first shot. Number 0. Quick pass to number 26 to number 8. Rejected. 10-second shot clock. 10 seconds to complete the play. Number 26. And that's a traveling violation. Number 10. Dribbles to number 28 once again into the key. Slightly rejected. Number 0 with a rebound. To number 31. Number 31 attacks. And that's the first point for the Golden Knights. Greyhounds. Number 10. Heavily guarded. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. And a foul was called. Foul number 13. That's his first personal foul. First team foul. Second team foul. He makes the first shot. No good for the second one. Number 0. The number 26, baseline drive, and a reverse layup. What a drive by number 26. Number 28. Bounce pass inside, pump fakes, shoots. What a heavy player. Number 0, drives, looking for revenge. Foul number 11. That's the first personal foul and first team foul. 19-second shot clock. 19 seconds. Number 26. Drives, Eurostep. Didn't connect. Number 24. From downtown. No good. Number 31. Bounce pass. Rejected. Number 24. Number 28. Foul number 26. First personal foul. Third team foul. Warning for technical for delaying the game, number 31 of Ateneo. Second shot clock. 10 seconds, releases. No good. Rebounded by number 13, the number 0. The number 8 shoots the 3. No luck. Rebounded, number 31, the number 13. And a jumper. No good. Five minutes remaining time for the first period. Drives from the board straight into the basket. That's number 11 of the Greyhounds. Number 8. Number 26. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 26 once again. No good. Number 0 with a rebound. Shoots. And the whistle was blown. Foul number 14. First personal foul, second team foul. He makes the first one. That's 2 chickens in the bucket by number 0. Number 14, the number 38. Number 14, once again. Number 28. 10 seconds to play. 5 seconds. Number 12. The number 1. Number 17 throws the ball. Still no luck. Number 12 turns around, fades away, but didn't reach the basket. Third attempt, no good. Timeout, UNC. And we're back to the ball game. Greyhounds still reigning supreme against the Golden Knights. Number 24 attacks into the key. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Loses the ball. Number 28 dribbles. Shoots. And he makes it. Number 16. To number 12. Back to number 16. And number 12, pump fakes, drives. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1 with a spin. And he makes the basket. Breakaway pass to number 11. And an easy glider. Number 16. From downtown. And a quick release didn't make it. Number 1 loses the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Teardrop. And it connects. And a steal for a 3. Back-to-back points for the Golden Knights. And we're down to a 2-point lead. Number 28, and a steal for an opportunity to cut the lead. Number 1 with the ball. Dribbles, spins, attacks, throws the ball. And the whistle was blown. Foul number 14. First personal foul, third team foul. And he makes the second. We're down to only a point. Number 28. Dribbles. Looking for someone. Heavily guarded. Pressured by number 31. 10-second shot clock. 5 seconds. Foul number 7. First personal foul of number 7. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Back to the ball game. Running score 15-14. A 1-point lead of the Greyhounds. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time for the first period. He makes the first one. No good for the second one. Number 31, the number 1, the number 17. Quick pass to the side and a release. 3 points. And that's the first change favor. Ateneo now on the lead. Blast another ball possession. Bounce pass to number 1. Quick pass to the side and another release. But didn't make it. Number 1, once again. Quick pass inside, 10 seconds to shoot, against 3. And he nailed it. Seconds to play. Number 14, drives from downtown, kisses the ring, but not the basket. Substitution. "14-second shot clock, 36 game clock." Number 8. Foul number 12. Penalty. Penalty. No good for the first one. No good for the second. Substitution. 13-second shot clock. 29 seconds game clock. Number 30. The number 8. Five seconds. Number 1 with a rebound. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. .94 seconds. Are we going to make the shot? And that's the end of the first quarter. With a score 19-16, a 3-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And we're down to the second quarter of the match. Again, you are watching a battle for third. Intercepted by the UNC. Next game would be the championship match between NCF and Daraga. Number 24. Dribbles. 10 seconds to shoot. Stolen by number 12, running like a wind for an easy layup. What a sprint by number 12. Number 30. To number 10. Number 12 once again with a quick pickup. Stolen by number 28. Foul number 7. Second personal foul. First team foul. Number 10. Dribbles. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7, third personal foul, second team foul. Number 36, from long range, no good. Number 1 with a rebound. Quick pass to the side. Number 17 with a quick release. Nothing but net. Looking for someone. Foul number 31. First personal foul. Third team foul. Number 36. Attacks. No good. Number 1 loses the ball. Number 14 loses the ball. Number 17 dribbles against all odds to number 12. Attacks the number 7 from downtown. No good. Stolen by number 31. Quick pass to number 1. Attacks. And a foul was scored. Foul number 36. First personal foul. First team foul. Perfect release for the first shot. No good for the second one. Foul number 7. That's his 4th personal foul. Warning for exclusion. 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 28. Dribbles. The number 14 from downtown. No good. Shoots. And he nailed it. Finally. Another point for the Greyhounds. Number 12. To number 17. No good. Steps into the line, and that's a turnover. 7 minutes remaining time for the second period. Number 11, dribbles, loses the score, and spins around, but didn't complete the shot. Pushes, stolen by number 13. The number 26, into the key, into the side, number 17 in his position. No good, rebounded by number 12 to number 26 once again, pump fakes. Rejected, 10 seconds. Stolen by number 28. And he makes the shot. Quick release, no good. Substitution. Number 11 to number 28. Number 14 attacks. Shoots. No luck. Foul number 13. Second personal foul. Penalty. No good for the first one. He makes the second. Number 1. To number 0. Back to number 1 from long range. No good. Number 26 picks it up. Second attempt, still no luck. And the foul was called. Foul number 13. Third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. Substitution. Number 1, dribbles to number 16 with a quick release. No good. Rebounded by number 11. Lab pass to number 28. Still generating a play for his team. Against number 8. Dribbles. Attacks. Foul number 8. That's his first personal foul of the game. Penalty. He makes the first one. That's 2 chickens in the bucket by number 20. That's the first deadlock of the game. At 25, number 31. Loses his guard. Throws the ball into the air. But a foul was called. Foul number 14. Third personal foul of the game. Second team foul. "14-second shot clock. Number 1 in an alley-oop, but didn't connect. Number 0 with a rebound. Number 16, Euro step into a pass and a release. Kisses the rim, but not the basket. Another attempt for the Golden Knights, slowly generating the play. And that's a traveling violation. Timeout, Golden Knights. Back to the ball game. Number 18, inbound to number 11. Number 11, struggling. Number 9, number 18. Drives, steps back, throws the ball. But that's an air ball. Pass it to the opponent. Breakaway pass intercepted by number 28. Dribbles fast, dribbles hard. Number 16. To the inside. Number 9 pushes forward. And a pass. What a sniper play. Foul number 16. That's the first personal foul for number 16. Penalty. He completed the three-point play. UNC back at their feet, now leading with 3 points against the Golden Knights. For revenge, no good. Rebounded by the Greyhounds. Slowly controlling the game. Number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 31. The number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. And another good play for the ADNU. Timeout, UNC. Back to the ball game. Both teams consumed timeout for the first half. Number 18. Number 9, running like a wind, throws the ball into the air, but didn't connect. Number 16 with a quick rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by the Golden Knights. Line pass to the side and a layup by number 12. Change favor. We are seeing a seesaw of score between these two teams. Intercepted, yet recovered. Stolen once again by the Golden Knights. Number 1, beauty step into a pass to the side from behind. Yet stolen. Number 28. The number 9. Pass inside. And a foul for number. First personal foul for number 16. Third team foul. Number 16, dribbling the ball. The number 1. Number 16. Number 12. From long range, air ball. And a nice pass to number 7. 2 minutes remaining time. Number 28 from long range. Perfect release. And that's another deadlock. The second deadlock of the game. Lab pass to the side. Number 3 attacks. Quick pass. Intercepted. Number 28 once again with a quick 3. And steps into the line. So that's a 2 points only. Number 16. Euro step to the side. 10 seconds to shoot. Attacks. And he nailed it. And that's the third deadlock of the game at double-digit 3 seconds to play. Number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 7, first personal foul, penalty. No good for the first one. That's only one chicken in the bucket by number 11. Number 17. Number 24. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Basket counts. And that's the end of the first half with a score 38-34 in favor of Ateneo Golden Knights.
In the University of Nueva Cáceres, we nurture Bicol's educators.
Today, we forge a partnership with the National Teachers College in Manila, the pioneer in producing esteemed educators for our nation. With an enriched program, we nurture fine teachers who will mold the hearts and minds of our future generation. It all starts here, in the heart of Bicol.
The University of Nueva Cáceres, nurturing better tomorrows for all.
Right before we begin the second half, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our two referees from NCAA and UAE peer and a member of SBP National Referee and FIBA International Referee who will be the umpire and referees for the championship game later versus NCF versus Daraga National High School. So welcome to our NCF. We would like also that's Sir Ariel Bermeo and Sir Rigor Buaron. Happy viewing po and welcome to Ateneo de Naga University. Again, next game would be Naga College Foundation versus Daraga National High School Junior Division. A do or die game. Tomorrow also would be the opening of and launching of the volleyball, women, and women basketball. 1 p.m. at the UNC Sports Palace. So you are all invited. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, for the second half. You are still watching a battle for third. UNC Greyhounds versus Ateneo Golden Knights. Number 28 to start the quarter, releases. And that's another 3 points for number 28. And a revenge 3-point by number 1, no good. Reverse layup, still no luck, but the whistle was blown. Number 36, second personal foul, first team foul. And he makes the first shot. And he completed the 2-point play. That's number 7 of the Golden Knights. Number 28, the number 31, looking for some. Number 0, the number 31, the playmaker for his team, dribbles. The number 31, pump fakes, 10 to shoot. Stolen from behind. Timeout, Greyhounds. They'll be creating the play to make it for 4 seconds. And we're back to the ball game. 4 seconds to make the shot. 4 seconds. Shoots. Number 28, warning for faking a foul. Number 1, to number 31, to number 12. Back to number 31, and a number 12 for a quick release. And passing to a shot. Makes it. Number 28, dribbling the ball, drives. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Lap pass to number 12. Trapped against 2. Back to number 1. To the side. To number 12. To number 1. And a quick release. Back-to-back 3 for the Golden Knights. Leading with 7 points. Number 28. To number 10. From long range, what a revenge by number 28. Number 31, dribbles, drives against all odds into a pass. Steps in, and he nailed the perimeter shot. Number 28, once again. That's a foul called on number 1. First personal foul, first team foul. Tuck in, number 11. Number 11 of UNC. Number 11. Number 11. "15-second shot clock. "11 seconds. Again, 11 seconds. Number 31, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Number 28 from a very long range position. Basket counts. And they make the shot. Number 1 to number 3. Back to number 1. Inside and to the side. And a 2 strong shot. Number 11 against 3. Throws the ball into the air. And a foul was called. Foul number 3. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution for both teams. That's 2 shots for the Greyhounds, closing the gap with 2 points. Intercepted. An opportunity to cut the lead. Number 28 running swift as the wind. And he makes it all through the obstacle. That's the 4th deadlock of the game at 50. Line pass inside. What a play by the Golden Knights. Number 28, once again the playmaker. Dribbles hard, yet loses control of the ball. Number 12, line pass again, inside, spins around, and a reverse layup. But didn't make it into the basket. Foul number 11. Second personal foul. Second team foul. He makes the first one. That's a 2-point play by number 1. Number 11, dribbling hard. Number 28, shoots, no good. Number 7 with a rebound. The number 17 to the side. Loses the ball, yet recovered. Number 16, the number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. And a quick release. No good. Number 28. Quick pass to number 10. Steps to the side. Releases. No good. Number 16. And a short pass. Intercepted. Number 10, once again. Foul number 17. First personal foul, third team foul. He makes the first one. And he completed the two-point play, closing the gap once again with 2 points. Golden Knights pushing forward, loses his guard, hits the board but not the basket. Number 13, heavily guarded. The number 7, no good. Third attempt, and the saver, number 26. Number 24, spins to number 10 from downtown, no good. Rebounded by number 13. Number 26 loses the ball. Number 13, Eurostep into a drive, but the foul was called. Foul number 9, first personal foul, third team foul. He makes the first one. No good for the second one. Number 24, now the playmaker for his team. The number 10, the number 14. 10-second shot clock. 5 seconds. Substitution for both teams. Second shot clock. 11 seconds. Number 31 inside, and he nailed it. 3 minutes remaining time for the third period. Number 26, the number 31 from long range, no good. Rebounded by the same number. Number 14 pushes forward. Foul number 13. Fourth personal foul. Warning for exclusion. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Rebounded by ADNU. Number 26 drives, and he nailed it. Number 28 dribbles. That pass inside. Shoots. No good. Number 24. Last, the foul was scored. Basket counts. Foul number 17. Second personal foul. Penalty. Golden Knights now with the ball. Pushes forward, pump fakes. And a spin for a Hail Mary shot. Number 28 to number 31. Pump fakes, attacks into the key against two. And he nailed it. Number 26. Stolen from behind. Loses the ball. An opportunity to cut the lead. Number 28 with his dribbling skill to number 31. Steps back and shoot. Rejected. Foul number 0. Second personal foul. Penalty. He makes the first one. And the tiebreaker didn't make it. "14-second shot clock. An opportunity to gain the advantage. Number 28, pump fake, baseline drive, and a floater. No good. Number 17 with a rebound. Stolen by number 31. 1 minute remaining time. And a mid-range jumper didn't connect. Number 26, now with the ball. Euro step into a drive. But didn't make it into the hoop. Number 24, first personal foul. Fourth, team foul. Warning for penalty. And we also have the crowd from NCF supporting the Golden Knights. And that's the first shot by number 26. And that's two chickens in the bucket by number 26. Number 16. Seconds to play. Number 14. 10 seconds. Steps back and shoots. No good. Number 16. Now with the ball. Drives against all odds to number 17. To number 12. And a quick shot. No good. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. What a wonderful drive, but didn't reach the hoop. 10 seconds. Trap. Foul number 28. Penalty. Number 28, first personal foul, penalty. Players, 5 seconds. Once again, 5 seconds. And that's the end of the third quarter with a score 63-60. A 3-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And we're down to the fourth and final quarter of the match. A battle for third between UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights. Next game would be the Do or Die Championship game versus Naga College Foundation and Daraga National High School. All right, we're down to the last quarter. Inbound by number 12 to number 31 for the last 10 minutes of their entire BUCAL season. Number 31 to number 1. Pump fakes. Inside to number 0. Turns around. Rejected. Number 16. Loses the ball and that's number 31. Dribbles, shoots against the tower. Number 31, mix it. Number 28, once again, generating a play. Dribbles. In the safe zone, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Shot clock violation. And that's a turnover. Number 31. To number 1. Number 7 pushes forward. Spins. What a shot by number 7. Number 28. Trying to recover. Looking for his team. Heavily guarded. Number 9 with an opportunity. Drives. But didn't connect. Spins. Number 28 with his agility. Euro-step into a drive. What a shot by number 28. Number 31. Foul number 9. Second personal foul. First team foul. Number 0 shoots. Number 7 with a place back. Number 28. Dribbles hard. Baseline drive and a reverse layup. An incredible one by number 16. Still with a 5-point lead. Golden Knights pushing forward. Number 1 from long range. Perfect release. Number 28. Dribbling the ball. Bounce pass to number 24. Foul number 31. Second personal foul. First team foul. Second shot clock. Number 16 to number 9. Number 28 from long range. No good. Number 7 looking for a breakaway pass. The number 0 barely crosses the half court. Number 31. And that's a traveling violation. Number 28 shoots. Number 12, second personal foul, second team foul. He makes the first one. He nailed the second. Number 17. Dribbles, heavily guarded now by number 11 to number 1. Number 1 attacks. To number 0. To number 7. And a third attempt. The Superman. Number 28. Dribbles. Bounce pass to the side. And a downtown. No good. Number 17. Quick pass to number 1. Back-to-back points for number 1. Plus a bonus shot. Foul number 28, second personal foul. Second team foul. Ateneo now with a 2-digit lead against the Greyhounds. Baseline drive, rejected from behind. 8-second shot clock from downtown, 3 points by number 10. Number 17, dribbles, attacks. No good, number 7 again. No luck this time. Number 11, to the side, baseline. Timeout, Ateneo. And we're back to the ball game. You are still watching a battle for third. Ateneo Golden Knights versus NCF. Their last ball for the season 3 of BUCAL. Number 1 loses the ball. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 17 to number 1. Pump fakes. 10 seconds. And a preparatory three-point shot. Number 17 with a quick rebound. Shoots the ball. And the whistle was blown. Foul number 11. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution for the Greyhounds. He makes the first one. No good for the second one. Number 24 to number 28. From long range, no good. Number 17. Dribbles. The number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Releases. No good. Number 17. Number 1. And they nailed it after 3 attempts. And we're back to a 2-digit lead of the Golden Knights. Number 24 to number 28. Foul number 17. Third personal foul for number 17. Third team foul. Paging, Feby. Feby. Number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Releases. No good. Number 8 with a rebound. Number 1 struggling. Finally, the Golden Knights get the ball. Quick pass to number 7. To number 12. And an open shot for number 12. Number 8. And a shot for number 24. Number 17. Number 1 attacks. And he makes the shot. Timeout, UNC. Would be the launching of volleyball and basketball women's division. Again, tomorrow will be the launching of the volleyball and basketball women's division, 1 p.m. at the UNC Sports Palace. Feby. Paging Feby. And we're back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time for the fourth and final quarter for these two teams on the third season of BUCAL. Who will be the third placer? Will it be the UNC Greyhounds or will it be the Ateneo Golden Knights? Here we go, number 16 with a floater. And he makes the basket. Number 1 with a quick pass to number 7 for an easy peasy layup. Number 28 dribbles hard. The number 16. Number 0. Number 0 nails the shot. Last 2 minutes. Number 28 to number 8. Attacks. And he makes the shot. Closing the gap with 9 points. Number 1 dribbles, loses the ball and intercepted. Greyhounds desperate for a comeback. No good. Timeout, Golden Knights. Here we go for the last 1 minute and 39 seconds of their season. Number 16 for downtown, no good. Number 31. Dribbles. to number 17. 10 seconds. Behind the back pass, loses the ball. Number 8. Substitution. Inbound by number 16 to number 28. 1 minute remaining time. Seconds to play. Number 7. Stolen by the Greyhounds. Number 10 attacks. And he makes the shot, closing the gap with 7 points. Heavily pressured, number 31. Barely crosses the half court, running like a wind, throws the ball into the air, but didn't reach the hoop. 10 seconds to shoot. Five seconds. Shot clock is off. 21 seconds remaining time. Next game would be the Juniors Division, Naga College Foundation versus Daragan National High School. And we're back to the ball game. 21.95 seconds game clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Here we go. Or the probably miraculous play for the UNC to recover for a 7-point lead against Ateneo. 10 seconds to shoot. Floater rejected. Shot clock is off, heavily guarded, protecting the ball at all costs. Fourth team foul for the UNC. 10 seconds, shot clock is off. Five seconds. Penalty. No good for the first one. 4.25 seconds remaining time. And that's the end of the game with a score 87-80. Winner, Ateneo Golden Knights.
Don Razon, and of course, Sir Father Robert. Second runner-up. Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Players and coaches, please. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Second runner-up for BUCAL Season 3 Seniors Division. Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's give them a big round of applause. Mga kaibigan, sa ko ngayon, mga kaibigan ng NBL player dating...
Maurang nga, duwa talaga.
Next game. Championship for Juniors, BUCAL Season 3. Daraga National High School versus NCF. Are you ready? Make some noise!